Hey, what's up, happy people? Welcome back to Jetro TV. Okay, guys, so I will just give you an update regarding on the rumors that a lot of people now are being caught by the Baladia here. Took a picture of their ID and take their number also. So guys, it's true. Okay, so I already have a few followers giving me message and show me the SMS that Baladia sent to them, that they have to report at the ministry, I think, for some clarification or whatsoever. So guys, we'll just be careful, okay? So I think because there's a lot of people now, especially locals and some of the people who are going here also at the Corniche, and especially the cleaners. They are the one who complain about the garbage. So there's no one to be blamed about these guys but us, okay? So how many times I have to tell on my previous videos that we have to be responsible about our garbage. So I saw on the news some of my friends told me that the locals complain about the hooks that are just left there, scattered hooks, lines, and what to call this, the scales and the blood of the milkfish, and also the water bottles and food packs that are just left there. So guys, as you can see, every like 50 meters or 100 meters there are garbage bin, okay? Anywhere here at Corniche there are a lot of garbage bin. I just can't understand why do they just have to left their garbage there. It will not took you like 1 or 2 minutes to throw your garbage at the garbage bin. Very simple, guys. Now but anyway, I still have a good news to you. If you are what to call this, if you are really into fishing, there are still a lot of options. So I have uploaded before on my videos about the fishing spots, a lot of fishing spots that you can go here at Qatar, and one of that is you can go to Safliya Island. So if you want to go to Safliya Island, you can contact Cap Sayid, Cap Nonito. You can just comment here below if you want, and I will give you the details about them. And next is if you really want to catch milkfish, of course inland. If you want milkfish, very big there, huge one. So if you want to go there, you can go also with Joseph Octavo. So just leave a comment also below there if you want, that I can give you his details. And a lot of fishing spots here in Alcor. First, Sima Isma. Then if you want, in Alcor we have the Purple Island, Al Thakira, Al Dakira, and what else, and going also to Al Ruwais, we have the Algaria Beach, Exit 93. Here we have here also Sea Line. At that side we have also the Dukhan. You still have a lot of options, guys. So we just need to be careful, because on the first time maybe they will just it's just a warning, but maybe we don't know on the second time that they will catch you again and check on their system that this guy is already been caught once. So for the second time or the third time, we don't know, maybe they will give you already a penalty. So the penalty, guys, here in Qatar is not a joke. It's a big one. So let's just be careful, guys. Okay. So before, my friend from Baladia security told me that if we want to go fishing here at Corniche, it's better like early in the morning until 7:30 only, like that. At 7:30 you need to pack up your things and just leave. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, so I hope, guys, that please share this video, so all of our friends also will be aware about what is happening here now in Corniche. Okay, please like and share. Okay, share, guys, share. So it's a big help to other anglers also. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Be careful, enjoy fishing. Okay.